First, you want to remove the negative of your battery. Undo this air hose. And there's your TB right there. Remove those 4 bolts. Should come right off. First, what you want to do, you want to plug it right here. Unplug it and remove it. Once you remove those 4 bolts, it should come right off. The green gasket has to come off, replace with a new one. Yeah, this one's bad. I don't know if I can tell in this video, but it's brown, smoked. It's real bad. Okay, I have put the new gasket. The old one just comes right off. That is the new one. This is the new throttle body. Gotta put on a new pair of gloves. Then you stall it. Just match it up to the hose. Then put my phone down. I highly recommend replacing with a new one. If you got $150, I highly recommend it. This one actually cost me $211, but with a discount I was able to get it for $170 and some change. This is the lifetime warranty. The cheapest one they had there was $139, I believe. So if you got $140, $150, I would highly recommend going with the new. Instead of cleaning it, there's a lot of videos on YouTube where you can clean it, show you how to clean it. But I would recommend just buying a new one if you can. So when you tighten it up, you want to crisscross it, not too tight, not too tight. Just kind of want to tighten it up, snug it. And that's it. Just put everything back together. That'll be it. Connect this back on there. Put everything back together. As you can see, I had to take my air filter, which I am, because I'm gonna change it, replace it. But I didn't have to. Got lucky. Just had to remove everything else out of the way. Well, good luck. I'll do an update. And there it is. Just got to put my top cover on. And that's it. This took me about maybe 25-30 minutes. Not bad. First timer. Many would ask why I'm doing this. Reason why, I transmission was acting up, wasn't shifting. Some say could be this, could be that. So I took it and got this scanner reader. Told me it was the throttle body. So hopefully it's this. A lot cheaper than transmission. Well, good luck. If you like it.